I picked up this bike on the side of the road, and I'm guessing it sat outside for quite a few years. I've covered up the seat with a plastic bag, and it's just kind of grungy and yuck. The rim is all dirty, derailleur. There's like cobwebs and junk hanging on it. There's dirt and dust, chains rusty. But I want to get this cleaned up. So starting out, I'm just going to use a garden hose and a brass hose end sprayer. And that just kind of knocks down the loose stuff, the dust. And I'm going to take a 100% cotton rag and just wipe over everything. Oh, it's cleaning up nice. See how this does on the rim. Oh yeah, taking all that right off. And I'm going to take a dry rag, and where I've wiped, just going to wipe and dry it off. My experience has been that it's, yeah, wipe once something wet and then go over something dry. It works much better than just using just wet. And just make sure to cover everything. Oh, yeah, the rim looks much better. So I'm going to go over this whole thing, and I'll show you the results. And I got it all wiped down and cleaned up. Oh, it looks so much better. All the cobwebs and junk hanging on it and dust, and it's nice and clean. The seat's much better, not perfect. Still some stuff kind of embedded in that netting, but much better than it was. Be sure and check out my other videos.